You're just taking me out, you're taking me in. You're taking me in, aren't you?
Give me one good reason why I should.
Oh. Well, we're family, brothers. We share blood and history.
Dolce.
Wow.
Is that good?
Forever.